Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. I hope you're all having a good Christmas Eve. Today we're going to be working on the Bulldozer, and I'm going to start cataloging my videos on the Bulldozer in a more organized way. Up until this point, all of the videos have been very disorganized and random, and so this is going to be the official episode 1. I'm sitting here editing this video and I decided that there was way too much talking in it, so I deleted most of the talking. It's going to be all machine footage. This is the footage you guys are going to see is me boring out and drilling holes for all the hydraulic pumps on the Bulldozer's bell housing. So enjoy. Well, as you guys saw, that hole fought me pretty good. Didn't quite have the right boring bars to do it, at least not in a timely manner, but I got it done. The plate did end up moving around a little bit, and the holes kind of chewed up just a tad, but when we grab our handy dandy little template over here and we get it squared up, hole lines up pretty good. So placement is good. It's big enough that it will clear the starter pretty easily. So that's really all I can ask for. And I definitely need to get some carbide boring bars. So now what I'm going to do is tap the holes that need to get tapped, clean this off as best as I can. I might make a run up to auto parts store and grab a couple cans of brake cleaner, and we'll start mounting stuff up. All right, well, little bell housing plate is pretty much done. I'm going to mark these holes and drill them, tap them. The auxiliary pump fits. I am going to have to work a little bit of magic to get this line out. I might have to turn it and put a 90 on here, but everything fits except for the flanges here. However, because as you can see, they're not sitting flush. I can tell it's just a couple thou. It could be a burr, it could be dirt. It's just barely not fitting. So all I got to really do is take a flap disc or some sandpaper, emery cloth, and clean things up, and these should fit very tight. The starter hole is clearing everything. There's no interference with any of the hoses or anything. This access hole here should be about perfect to be able to access, you know, all the chains or pulleys or whatever I use to transfer power from the crankshaft, which is going to be about center here, to all of my pumps. So thank you all for watching, liking, and subscribing. Again, this is going to be the first official numbered episode of the Bulldozer series, and I'm going to have to leave off here. I'm not feeling too well. I got some kind of food poisoning or sickness. So stay tuned for the next one, which might come out before the end of the year, might come out after. We'll see what happens. So with all that being said, have a good day. And just for a little teaser, this is what everything looks like mounted up to the dozer. Plenty of clearance for the starter.